There she is. Them are some big old trees. Oh my gosh. Man. Oh well. Woo-wee.
It does have oil and it's on the full mark.
She does have the distributor still in it. Oh, that's good. Extremely rusty, are they? I think we're fine.
I think so.
Yeah, okay. No, maybe. There we go. Okay. That ain't bad on the bottom side. That thing should definitely turn over with the starter. Ready?
Yep. I hear it.
Picking up, ain't it?
Yep.
Oof. We did go ahead and get up underneath the truck and pull off the old starter. So now we got a new starter. Just going to bolt that in place. Going to go ahead and replace these battery cables while we're at it as well. We'll spray them down just for the fun of it. Ready?
Yep.
There she is, huh? We'll come back now and go ahead and replace the spark plugs, the plug wires. Now there are several trees we're going to have to address before we can do that. So get this thing running, get those trees out of the way, and just see what she does. So we were able to find an old radiator that we could just rig up on this truck for the time being. Went around on the brakes and got those unstuck from where they had froze up from just sitting here. Oh, please do not let a rat come out. Going in gear.
That's good there.
Good? Whew. We made it.
Yeah.
Well guys, we actually were able to pull this one off. We hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one.